Most video editors don't fail because they're bad at editing. They fail because they don't understand the game they're playing. And it wasn't because they were lacking skills, it was because they didn't have any strategy. They're grinding. They edit 12 hours a day and they're wondering why clients are leaving, why my income is random, and why does this feel like a guessing game. Hey guys, nice to meet you. My name is Stevan. I'm 23 years old and I'm working as a full-time freelance video editor. Now, over the past couple of years, I've closed multiple clients at agencies paying up to $3,000 per month. I even helped my friend leave 9-to-5 job and go full-time as a video editor. And here's the thing, guys, this isn't luck and I don't come from money. I live in a small country, Southeast Europe, where the average salary is around 550 euros a month. Yeah, a month. So I might actually teach you a thing or two, right? So like I've said, guys, this isn't any luck. It's actually understanding how business works, how to position yourself, and how to think beyond just video editing. So today, guys, I'm gonna be teaching you how to change your mindset and insights that actually makes the difference. And I've got something special for you guys. Listen carefully. I've opened a school community. For the first 50 people who get into my school community, link below, they'll get free access lifetime to my full training on how to get clients, how to position yourself, how to change your mindset, my assets, my outreach methods, my scripts, and much more, guys. But it's only available for first 50 people who go into the link below. Lifetime free, guys. There's no catch to it at all. The only thing I'll ask from you is to be active. First 50 people get lifetime access to my school community where I teach you how to make money no matter your current level. So click the link down below. There's no catch to it, guys. See you inside. Now, here's the problem 99% of freelancer video editor face. They focus purely on skill. You think being faster, being cleaner, being more creative will get you consistent clients. But the truth is, guys, skills will only get you noticed. They don't create that stability and they won't convert clients into recurring income. Now, you can be the best editor in the whole world, but if you don't understand positioning, if you don't understand pricing, if you don't understand business as well as your clients do, if you don't sell results, and if you're not somebody your clients can trust, they'll leave before you know it and they won't be paying you what you're worth. You're just gonna burn out. Now, let me give you an example from my personal experience. This client changed everything for me on how I see this business now. Now, I'll close this client, right? It was around a year and a half ago. Huge agency, huge brand. They even work with Imangaji. Now, I went on a call and I ended up closing them on that first call for $500 a month per project that consisted of 10 to 15 videos. And I thought, easy. I had him by the balls, right? Now, those 10 to 15 videos, they were pretty easy. It's something that I could have done in, let's say, maybe 3 days. Now, I delivered the videos on time. I even delivered before time. I wanted to over-deliver a little bit, right? But that's all I did. I was only delivering videos. I was only executing the task he gave me, right? I didn't notice any ideas on how we can improve his content. I didn't optimize or analyze any of its results. And I didn't even offer thumbnails. And over time, we slowly lost contact. Now, here's the shocking part, guys. He even recorded a testimonial video for me saying that I'm the best video editor he ever worked with in his entire life. Best video editing skills, 10 out of 10 delivered time, crazy ROI on videos. And that's when I finally realized that being good at editing is not enough. The people who scale, the people who make real income out of this business, they're not just doing video editing. They're bringing strategies, they're bringing insights, they're taking the weight off of their shoulders, and they're bringing value the client didn't even know they needed it. So if you're watching this video right now and you're thinking, oh, I just need to get better at video editing, I need you to stop right there. The real game isn't just skill. It's positioning yourself as somebody who your clients want to invest long term. It's about thinking, what problems my clients actually have? How can I help them grow? How can I help them scale? How can I make myself indispensable? So the mindset is the main thing that separates video editors who are hustling every day for 12 hours from editors who work predictably. And this type of thinking is exactly what I'm implementing in my school community. Not just mindset, guys. I cover foundations. I cover scripts. I cover outreach. I cover how to talk with clients on calls. I give you unique outreach methods. I give you proven copy and paste scripts. Everything you need to learn to make money online as a freelancer, as a video editor, completely for free, guys. So if you're ready to stop trading hours for money and start thinking like a business partner, I really want you in my community. So for the first 50 people who click the link below and join my community, they will get free access forever. The only thing I ask you in return is to stay active. This is for your own good, guys. I really want you to succeed here because I'm gonna be kicking inactive people, because I know if those people are not active in a community, I know they'll make nothing out of this. So that activity will actually represent your commitment to this. So click the link, join community, and let's start building the path to your financial freedom. I'll see you in the next video.